In EAFC 25, using the right custom tactics can really help you win games. Custom tactics are strategies you set for your team to play better together. Here are some of the best tips to create the best tactics for your team. First, think about your play style. Do you like to attack quickly or play more defensively? If you like to attack, choose a high attacking style with a fast build-up. This means that your players will move quickly up the field to score goals. Next, set the formation that works for you. A popular choice is the 4-3-3 formation, which has 4 defenders, 3 midfielders, and 3 forwards. This setup helps you control the midfield while having players ready to attack. Also, adjust player instructions. Tell your strikers to make runs behind defenders and your midfielders to support the attack. This can create more goal-scoring chances. And don't forget about defense. Okay, set your defenders to stay back while attacking to keep your goal safe. Experiment with these tactics in practice matches until you find what works best for your team. With the right custom tactics, you can dominate the competition in EAFC 25, all right? Let me know if this helped.